Hello and welcome to this part of Python programming video. In this part we will learn about keywords, operators, and a lot about how to efficiently edit files in Emacs and how to look up documentation and how to quickly traverse to the source code of the Python files which are used in our virtual environment or otherwise. So first we will see keywords and operators. I have imported this keyword module from Python. It provides a keyword module and then you print keyword.kwlist and it will print you all the keywords which are there in Python. For operators, plus is for adding up numbers, whether integer or floats, and plus is also for concatenation of strings, minus is for subtraction of numbers in general. Although you can do other things, star is typically for multiplication of numbers, but you can do this with list, and also slash similarly, percentage is remainder, and this is left shift and right shift, ampersand or tilde. These are quite classic and you can read the description on your own. Let me see if my font size is right. Okay. So Ricky diminished is what I use always. Okay, better. So you can read all this documentation by pausing your video. I have typed it for you. Sorry, that was too fast scrolling. So you have got caret and all, and is logical and, or is logical or, not is logical not, equality operator, inequality operator. So these are the keywords over here. But the real crux of this video is not these keywords or running this code. The real crux of this video, which I'm going to introduce, is GNU Global to you and exuberant C tags. These are tools developed by our old wise programmers from computer science community. So let us take an example of, first let's run. So I have activated the VM. So you can say Python 3 file name is keywords and operators. Oops, this is in src now. So these are the keywords. From here I copy pasted and edited. And now we have run the program. So first I would like you to do sudo apt install global. I have already installed this. And I'll also ask you to install etags. Oh, sorry, C tags. This is exuberant C tags, not the normal one. So which you can see here. After that, what you do is you run this command. It will create a file list of Python files, all the Python files in current folder, and then you run gtags over this file list. It takes a while because the virtual environment is also included, so that we can look up at the library code whichever we are going to install, and we can generate this. So it takes a while, but fine. This is worth the wait. Let's say it shouldn't take a lot longer. Okay, it's done. Then you say htags. This may take a while because it has to generate huge amount of cross-referenced HTML. You will see. So gtags will generate the GNU Global tags. Htags will generate the HTML files. I'm using exuberant ctags parser as backend of gtags, which you can see here, gtags.conf. So this line you need to change here, right towards the top. Okay, yeah. So you can see my default is exuberant ctags. Let's also generate the tags file for Emacs. So actually I have already generated. So I am passing it to etags. Oops. Okay, so since this file has space in the name, it can't do that. I'll have to quote it, but I'll do that later. So yeah, now if you see, then you have got an HTML folder, you got a G tags, you have G path, you have GR path, and we have tags. This is the video currently being recorded. All right. So now I have nginx configured, whose root is at varww. So and I've created a directory called Python 3 also. So I'll simply copy. Actually, I have already copied, but I'll just show. So I copied this. Now if I visit my localhost Python 3 here, this is what it says. Let me zoom it a bit for you. So this is what it shows, a bit less. So VM3, if you see, it has been on lib. So we go to lib, we go to Python 3.6. So here we go all the basic stuff of Python. For example, base64.py. So it has so many symbols, and this is the source code. So if you click this guy, it will tell you so many modules are otherwise using it in the site packages. So if you see here, there should be a site packages folder. We have the library, lots of libraries are there. You have URL, libwheel, JSON is not there. So you see that decorator.py is install.py. So you see it's very easy to browse the web this way. Source code I mean to say. For example, io.py, if you see, or let's go to base64. So once I click this, it takes me there, and you can see that the underscore class underscore name. So where is it? It is here, defined here, right, for that class. So you have a class here. This is used here. I have pretty tag. What is pretty? So from here I can see there are two pretties, overloaded functions. Sorry, a plane is going, you might hear a noise. And I have three pretties actually in screen.py also, but this two, IPython has one, pexpect has one. So I might go to IPython, what does it do? So you can read this way your entire source code, every function, every attribute, every class, every function you can very easily browse. Whichever can be indexed will be indexed. So this is the crux. Now let's go to Emacs, and we do all text widget tags table. So I'll set it here where the tags file is, capital tags. So yes, and now I'll open the VM files because we don't have a lot of code. VM3, we go to lib python base64.py, and since we have RE module, I'll go here and I'll invoke alt dot. You see, it took me to the class. If I say alt comma, it'll bring me back here. If I say alt dot, it takes me there. I have say RE underscore name. If I hit alt dot here, it doesn't go. No definitions. There are no definitions. Sys, if you want to sys, no definitions found for sys. But if you go here and you say here, it takes you to the sys module. Sorry. So I want to go to sys all the way to top. Now no definition for sys because sys is from Python and it's not library. Func tools we can try. Now collections. Now so sometimes you will find, sometimes you won't find. ABC, yes. Get cache token, yes, it is defined here. ABC meta, where is ABC meta? Here. So this is how you can figure out what is going on by using global, and you can quickly edit your files. So Emacs is very powerful. You should have Python mode and fly check mode, and if you want you can have LPy mode also, which helps with indentation and all. So you see that you can do a lot with Emacs plus LPy mode, Python mode, and rope max. So there is a tool also called PyMax by which you can extend Emacs using Python. So you can do a lot of stuff using Emacs, GNU Global, exuberant C tags, and Python. And of course our core job was to understand keywords and operators as such, but this is about efficient editing also. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and in case if you want video on any topic, please let me know on comments, and I'll produce that video. Thank you. Have a nice day.